How to fix installation stop error on Xbox Series X/S. 1. Clear the local save games and path. My Games and Applications. See all tab under My Games and Programs. Locate the affected game. More options. Manage game and add-ons. Like this, reinstall the game. 2. 2.1 Enter your Xbox's offline mode. Path, Profile and System Settings. General Network Settings. 2.2 Clear the queue for the desired app and path. My Games and Apps. Manage queue. 2.3 Reboot your Xbox. 3. Power cycle Xbox console. 4. Customize your console DNS. 7. Install the game on an external device, if you can. 9. Restart or reset the router. 10. Back up your data and reset your Xbox console.